Hi, and welcome to the Entrepreneurship Day Delft 2025. It's a day for students to learn about entrepreneurship and the newest innovations. And it's also a great place to meet companies and startups and to connect.
Wanneer gaan jullie samen op vakantie? Nee, de volgende stap is... Are you guys serious?
Jury from this guest health ecosystem.
So you see a lot of boxes, that's what your car understands. I with the lasting issues. Definitely not.
When the world went back to mobile phones, emerging markets, they end up just buying us.
Because in a couple of years, there's only going to be to start.
Time doing it.